barn find. Last 5 years, I kept driving by this place, and this big old chunk of land with a bunch of older homes and buildings on it. Just beautiful tract of land out here. An old farm homestead. Just got all kinds of different older equipment, combines, a lot of lumber, big old stack of lumber underneath there, big old poles, a shed full of lumber under here. And look at this land here. It's beautiful. And we're talking a lot of acres. But that's not what I'm interested in. Here's what I'm interested in, is what's underneath this building. And I did make contact with the owner 5 minutes ago. Are you ready? And here we go. That's right, a pig cooker. No, not a pig cooker. That's right, an old dump truck, Ford. And he said when he parked it, it was running. He said a few years back, somebody gave him an offer on it, but he never showed up. And it's got a tarp on it. He says it's 6 tons, so it'll haul, 16 tons. In other words, it'll haul 16,000 pounds. That's 8 tons, excuse me. Like I said, I only had about a 5-minute conversation with the gentleman. Big axle system on it, drop gate, and it also has the option of the swing out gate, I believe. This is the first time I've come up to it and looked it over. He already told me he'll take less than $2,000 for it. He says it's been sitting here a while. There's the PTO takeoff. Obviously, there's been rats been in here. Field mice. I can't see the mileage on it. But there's no key in it. I'm sure I can go get it. He says he's got the title sitting at the house. Nice little dent right there. And there it is, an F-600. So no CDL required. Beautiful. Let me see if I can squeeze in here. This old barn. This old tractor here. Can't even tell what it is. Wow, that's an old one. Let's see what's under the hood. Now, definitely a small V8. Definitely can't tell what it is. Battery's been disconnected. Like you see, there's no key in the ignition. He told me go ahead and do whatever I need to do to start it up, back it out. I told him not today, but I'm definitely interested in it. Nice. Tire's got air in it. I've seen this thing sitting here for 5 years. I know. Yeah, a little work. I'm sure I can get this for $1,000. And it's the right size too. It's got the right dump bed on it. So, in that sense of the word, entertaining, very entertaining. Let's see if I get this hood closed again. There we go. Definitely got a leak there. But all in all, not too rusty, not too bad. That's definitely a nice little summer project right there. What do you guys think? Pick it up for $1,000, $1,200. Probably have to put about maybe $2,000 to $3,000 in it. Have it for about four grand running. Needs a lot of cleaning, man, a lot of work. A good degreasing, power wash. And I know JR up the street, JR Automotive, can help me fix whatever needs to be fixed on it. And there's this property out there. It's beautiful, man. And he's got a bunch more equipment back there. Older gentleman. Good morning. I'm waiting on a bunch of parts, materials for this punch list job I'm on. I've already spent 2 days out there. We got a bunch of cabinets and stuff that we're trying to get our hands on, and they didn't bring it. They didn't get in time. So I go back tomorrow, and Friday I've got to look at another job on a staircase, and then go to the hospital. And there's my buddy. He's been following me from the house. Hey, buddy, what's going on? Oh, you're just the friendliest thing, aren't you? You're just the friendliest thing, aren't you? Yeah. So you came all the way up the road just to come see me again, huh? All right. Yeah. Anyway, there she is. Give me your opinions on that. What do you think? $1,000, $1,200. Definitely a toy worth playing with. And if you get it running good, which I don't see any issue with that, anything can be fixed. We know that already from the 59 International Draught P340, that we can get anything fixed. But at what cost? That's the main consideration. At what cost? Okay, guys. Y'all have a blessed day. Talk to you later. Tom out of here.